Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And right away, just want to thank our sponsors, which is Big Get Trading, and the link's in the description. So if you guys want to sign up for Big Get Trading and help support the channel, you can get up to $4,163 in bonuses. And yeah, that's where I do all my trades. Let's get into it. Bitcoin is back to $21,308.75. A wonderful day in the traditional markets as well as in the crypto markets. As we can see, AVAX breaking out from this descending channel right now, so looking very good so far. Again, we are going to run into some resistance around $23.20, which is going to be around our break-even area for our trade at the moment, but overall we are looking quite good. And again, today bagging another profit in Solana. Again, not a major win, but still a win nevertheless, bagging over 8%. But again, a very big trade. Over 25% of our spot portfolio was in that trade, so a very nice win overall. So I'm going to be adding that to updating the profit loss history, which is all posted on my website for you guys. You guys are going to be able to view that there. But overall, Bitcoin is doing very well, looking very good. But we are headed towards a weekend, so let's be careful. Again, we've seen some fake outs over the weekend. We've seen that in the last weekend we've had actually Bitcoin actually dumped down towards the downside and recovered swiftly, coming almost exactly at that previous Friday close. So we could see that on June 17 or June 18, or yeah, June 17, we had, market close on Friday around 20,400. And over the weekend, you had a sort of a, and an up and down to scare everyone out of their trade, and recovered right back to 20,400. And then, so on and so forth. The week carried on, and we have our Friday close at 21,600. Now, can we get a pump towards the upside? Absolutely. The probabilities are favoring it. Market cipher is looking quite good. You have a 20 right now and a -5, and today we had a I guess today we had a -5 and a 19. Again, we have a new candle right now with a 20 and a -5, so looking even more bullish than before. But don't forget, we are in a bear market. If the pumps come, they are going to be short-lived, so make sure you take those profits quickly. And don't hope for some more upside to 30, 50,000. Again, anything is possible, but the probabilities of that happening are very small, because the Fed's raising the rates. We're about to enter a recession. In my opinion, we already are in a recession. And yeah, just make sure you pay yourself. You already secure those gains. Happy days. Let's keep going. Ethereum, let's take a look at market cipher. Ethereum on market cipher. Market cipher on Ethereum is actually looking very strong as well. A -5 and a 20, basically almost the same thing as Bitcoin. Let's take a look at some altcoins as well. I know a few of you would like to see how your altcoins are doing on market cipher, and we can see that AVAX right now looking bullish as well, -5 and a 20. That view up is quite extended, but you can see the RSI is starting to expand, so looking quite good there as well. Money flow is very deep in the red. We also have a trade going on DOT at the moment, so let's see how that one plays out. We are almost at break even on that one, but if it does get over to maybe $9, $9.50, I'll probably start to take some profits on that trade as well. So let's keep our eyes peeled for that. And I think we'll just look at maybe in one more that we have. Actually, we closed our Solana trade. What else do I have open? I think I have one more trade open. Let me just shift over to my tab quickly right here. Ethereum. Oh no, I think we've covered everything that we have on our spot trades at the moment, so nothing else that I really want to cover. Again, I'm going to cover a lot of stuff tonight in the Discord for you guys. I'm going to do a little bit of a live stream. Again, we always do one on every Friday night inside the Discord, do some market analysis for you all, maybe some live trading as well. And let's take a look at something I wanted to talk about during the day but didn't have time to. We can see that we are underneath that 200 weekly, right? Now, historically speaking, it has held, but this time it has not, right? We've seen that we've broken right through that 200 weekly, but during that COVID crash, we broke through that 200 weekly, but we recovered the next week and we closed above. Now, do you guys think that we are going to close above that 200 weekly, which is around, at the moment, 22,427? The probabilities of that happening in my opinion, are around like 50-50 in my opinion. I think we will run into some heavy resistance around 22,400 to 22,800. I might start to put some small shorts. I'll definitely close my leverage longs if we get to this level right here. But again, nothing is guaranteed. We could definitely retest this and then start to roll over. But the traditional markets are looking quite good at the moment. You can take a look at the SPY right here. Right, the SPY today, we had a beautiful gap fill. As you can see, very like near the end of the day, we had that final pump, filling in that gap perfectly. You know, I was actually looking at the SPY all day today, thinking, I was like, oh man, are we going to even make it? Are we going to, you know, dump back down towards the downside? You know what? We filled it perfectly. And now we have another gap fill here around the 400 area, but we have some nice confluence coming in here. We have a downwards trending, we have downwards trend line right here. And if you could come close to that gap fill, you know, maybe during that trading week next week, we have a beautiful gap fill and, you know, a touch point right here. Maybe we'll start to reverse down. So maybe this is going to be your top in a SPY, and maybe, you know, you'll get a nice pump in the Bitcoin price as well before we start to reverse down. So it's very possible that Bitcoin could get to $25,000 to $26,000 before you start to reverse down, which is around basically this previous high right here. You guys can actually take a look on this candle. Oh, I have too many charts open. Oh, this one right here, this chart. So if we can get around to 25,600 700 to 26,000, maybe I'll consider placing a big leverage short, as we definitely will start to roll over again, in my opinion. I still don't think this is the definitive bottom for Bitcoin. I think we still have a lot more downside. This is again just my opinion. You can take a look at the market cipher on the weekly time frame. We haven't confirmed a green dot or a bottom yet, and historically speaking, every time Bitcoin has found a bottom after those big 50% corrections, it's printed a nice green dot, and then so on and so forth. The bear market happens, it takes its course, and then we have some upside that comes shortly after. So anyways, guys, thanks for listening. You guys are awesome. I'm going to see you all in the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, see all my trades, that's where I post them. Links in the description. And if you guys want to sign up for Big Get Trading, which is our sponsor, and that's where I do all my crypto trades as well, links in the description. Love you guys. Peace.